In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write a full book with ChatGPT. So we're going to start using ChatGPT and ask him to write the chapters of the book. So write the chapters of a book about weight loss. Let's go with weight loss. The thing is, if you ask him to start to write the full book, it's not going to be like a complete book because there's only so much, text that he can write in a single time. So we're going to start with the chapters, and then we're going to expand on that. So here are the different chapters. What we want to do is open Google Doc, and once we have the chapter, copy and paste that to the Google Doc. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste. Now we're going to ask him to write the full chapter for we want to give him some instruction like make it detailed, use example to make your point, write in a friendly tone. And so then he's going to write the first chapter. Now what we want to do is do that for every chapters, and then it will give us a pretty good outlay of the book. The thing is, you want to try to make him write as much as possible if you want him to write the full book, because like if you just ask him from the get-go just write the full book, he will not write a full book. So as you can see here, is getting pretty detailed. You can give him specific instruction like make it detailed, that makes sure like you will write more text, use example to make your point, write in a friendly tone. So that's pretty good already. We have like a pretty good so that will be the summary of the book. I will go ahead and create a new page. We have this, and that's already like a page and a half. We can ask him to, can you add more text about calorie deficit and how it can help weight loss? So as you can see, like you can ask him specific points. So let's say you read through the book, it says, oh, you need some calorie deficit, you need to create a calorie deficit. And then I ask him, okay, can you write more about the calorie deficit? And then he will give you outlay specific details about calorie deficit. And as you can see, it's quite detailed, right? So I can add all of this just after the paragraph calorie deficit. Now that's for chapter 1. And that's already like 5 A4 pages that we just did, right? Now you do that for all the chapters. There's 8 chapters. If you do that for 9 chapters, you will end up with approximately maybe 20 A4 pages. That could be like 10-15,000 words. That's the size of a small book. If you spend maybe 1 or 2 hours, asking him more detail, maybe here I could go a bit further. I could ask him to write more stuff about this specific subject or something like that. I could make it longer, and so that's how you can create a full book. Now you want to create a design for your book, you can go on Canva, you can just type ebook cover, it will open you this page, and then maybe you can just pick a design and try the guide to weight loss. And here you have it, ChatGPT. And so that's your book, not the best. Weight loss. Food for weight loss. Okay, so now you have your design. You can even go on Fiverr and type for ebook design, and it will give you the outlay of the book. And you can pay someone like $10 to design an ebook for you, maybe a bit more, maybe 10, 20 bucks. But that's pretty much it, how to write a book for ChatGPT. You can also ask him to expand, write more text for the chapter 1. And you can see he's going to keep adding stuff. So if you wanted to make it longer, there's no limit to it. You can just keep asking him to make it longer and longer, and he will add some more text. Now I wouldn't want to go and be like, ask more text for the sake of adding more text, I believe at some point it's going to repeat himself, because there's so much thing that can be said about weight loss in the chapter 1, right? So make sure that your book is straight to the point, and then you can sell this book or give it as a free PDF, a free book for a lead magnet, for example, if you're selling other stuff. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you want to know more about making money online, maybe starting your online business, I created a free course. It's just a free course where I record my screen and I share everything with you. I've been making 6 figures per year since 2016 online with my online businesses. It's totally free, so the link is just below this video, so click to access this free course. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.